Hello everyone, welcome to Jewel's Day. So let's talk about ongoing viral couple the Tipper girl and her American friend.
United States of America.
Tak sejarah prai borok no saimang kana. Jenny no gate pataro a American chula basai tongman jaga. Abo shini Triprani renowned singer artist Bishanath Devarma tongman nok ne. And coincidentally, Azarawa, sinisar bishona tabin saslabo nogo firok tong mazora. Korok bono kok sungi saiman kaze, bo at least 2 hours ni bagi sinti braze korok sano nashing jakane. Bo a brino onekbar phone khaika kintu bono phone malia phone switch off rokni sajaka. Tai yagulo bo sini sar bishonat no bo phone number we sar bishonat abri no phone khaika. Ba onekbar phone khamani yagulo se abri phone receive khayo. Ang bujima mote hangka American chila tai tiprazuk brai borok Facebook tui sini laikya tai kok salaikya a kok salai mani bising tino a tiprazuk bono o jagani address rakhana hiya obri o chila amo haike phayan henai bo expect khaimena bo phaina sakang hoito inform bo khaijagyana and suddenly bo o chila bai phone khai sajakana je ang nini address sokpai jakhnai atumsa nang ang phano amo haike phone khai sajak hangka kaiseng fatcha decision nai mi angai thangnai hangke obri ni case hoyada obri bo haino kirija khana hangke bo phone khaijak hangka phone bo switch off khairekana tabuk bongni o situation no wan chogui nai khai maturely babi nai khai ya American chela bo amo haike fatcha address manma chingbai oro address phaina tongmaya at least luggage to be phaina tongmaya ochla judi na bo hotel check in khaya kongka first ba agartala land khaimani logi logi na ba hotel check in khaina nangmani ba sangpuila agartala phai tong kongka a bring na thangai bana hotel ni receive khaimani khamung ba judi na bana nogotalang na kongka ba ma haike lama rutugi phaina nangla khamu and taxi dorate ke confirm kai saimia American chilate tiprazuk burani relation basuk zorati tong hane hoyto bo bari bai tripura beraina hani phano to malanya hani phaimamle bo nichoi bo bai hamjagai no bo bari bai malanya phaikena amte to kun kok kre sing as a public sing jesa borok no phano bari bai chela nuk lai khenya I bari bai chela hamjaglai tong honi sanani am hai situation nuk khang gai borok judin no hamjaglai chajaglai tong bose sing judge khaite kre borok ni judin no serious relation be honest social media te partner to mani shoya dam kanyang ni jebo saimangala partner bo kajagya da basabate ganang da never know I don't say it's totally wrong but only if luck is with you. But I will still say it's lifetime risks to marry someone whom you know through social media. And last time I want to cox hanaize.
By Mia heritage example mane beraina thangmani ngangke borokni no nogo ngangke baire ni selaba kisa photo bujangna hangka
Asakai bare lang masing bai borwai photo rok bujang mani kun ko kre selfie rok nanan musung khai nai man kunungya nang borong no sada kha borong ni selfie na ka am bai kunungya nang borong no asakai birok tor mani amo basaya klayo and in that case no rok a photo rok share khai ka hangka photo no private to share khai ka hangka chanai because nang photo no bui jesa borok phano public go hangka misuse khai abono use khai manu te khorok sa borok YouTube bongni support ba bongni against American chelate tiprazuk broini bagai saka hangkai norok abono sajai arok ta nangjak baidi hoito nongni mote borok samani nini mote ngya phano ngai mano ai phano nang ara thangai borokno gali golos khainani kok kre borokno chajagai borok YouTube share khai kya ba on your social media platform share khai kya kintu ningle tangai ning borokno sajai angba borok sajai ke sajai angai borokno sajai hane YouTube share khai kya borok sajai ba borok sajago hane borok YouTube share khai kya kintu nang te khorok sa thangai ara bono gali golos khaimani chu chayable abon slai nang borok no naya ke naya tongdi and te kaisa tam saidaman khoroksa viral ngo hanai nang borok no sayawai nang hujagai bongni video ba bong photo na hamani abo bachaya klayo nang at least bongni consent na hade nang bono permission chandi nang judi borok bai photo bujang na masung ba bongni video na harong gang nang at least bong na sana to namle nang ama hagai hujagai khaimani that is not right and that's it for today. If you like the video do consider to share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.